Hi guys, welcome back to all my dear viewers. Today we'll discuss class 9 maths problem, exercise 2.4, question number 2. Now, yes, we can see the question. Use the factor theorem to determine whether gx is a factor of px in each of the following cases. Now, according to the question, we came to know that by using factor theorem, we are going to find that it is gx is a factors of px or not. Now we are given with three questions. Let us take first question for first solutions or for our first problem. Here we are given with px is equal to 2x cubed plus x square minus 2x minus 1. Gx is equal to x plus 1. Now, according to the factors theorem, we were about to use this gx is equal to x plus 1 to divide px. If we can get 0 by dividing px by gx, then we will call it as it is a factors of px, or gx is a factor of px. But in case if we can't get 0 by using gx is equal to x plus 1 to divide this px, then we will call it as it is not a factors of px. Now first of all, what you are going to do, first just take down gx is equal to 0 and put whatever values of gx it has, then find the values of x. And after we got the values of x, we are about to put whatever values that we got from x in each of this x in the polynomial that is given in Roman number 1. And then we will solve it, and at last if we can get 0, then we will call it as gx is a factor of px. And if we can't get 0, then we will call it as it is not a factor of px. Alright, now let us proceed to the solution. What do we have here? We have px. First of all, let us write p of x is equal to 2x cubed plus x squared minus 2x minus 1. And what is this? G of x is equal to x plus 1. Now, the first thing that we're going to do, it is to find the values of x. In order to find the values of x, first of all, we will write it like this. When g of x is equal to 0, just equate gx with 0. And whatever values of gx that we have here, it is x plus 1. Now put that values here. It will be x plus 1 equal to 0. If you move this plus 1 on the other side, then it will become minus 1. Now, we have minus 1 as the values of x. You are about to put the values of x is equal to minus 1 in each of this x. And after that, if you can get 0, then we will call it as gx is a factor of px. Let us write px. What is the values of x that we have? It is minus 1. And here it will be 2 into minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square minus 2 minus 1, and after that it will be minus 1. Minus 1 cube will give you minus 1, and if you multiply with 2, you will get minus 2. Minus 1 square will give you 1. Minus into minus will give you plus. 2 into 1 will give you 2, and after that it will get minus 1. Just take it down from here. Alright, now let us cut this 2 and let us cut this 2, and last you will get 0. Thus, according to the discussion that we just made just before we solve this, now we got 0, then we will call it as by factor theorem, gx is a factor of px. You write it thus. By using factor theorem, gx is a factor of px. Alright, now let us move to this Roman number 2. As we can see in Roman number 2, we are given with px is equal to x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. Gx is equal to x plus 2. Same as the problem that we did just before we solved this. Even here we have to solve this one. First of all, let us write this. P of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. And after that we have g of x is equal to x plus 2. Now we are about to find the values of x. In order to find that, let us keep like this. And what is the values of gx that we have? It is x plus 2. It will be equal to 0. If you move this plus 2 on the other side, then it will become minus 2. And now what is the, instead of x, we have to put the values of x, that is minus 2. And let us put this minus 2 cube. And after that 3 x square. What is the values of x? That is minus 2. It will be square. 3x, it will be 3 minus 2, 1. Now minus 2 cube, it will give you minus 8. Here it will be 3 minus 2 square. Minus 2 square will give you 4. It will be, if you multiply 3 into 4, then it will give you 12. 3 times 2, that will give you 6. Minus into plus is minus. Plus 1. Minus 8 plus 12, it will give you 4. And minus 6 plus 1, it will give you minus 5. And after that, plus 4 minus 5, it will give you minus 1. And minus 1 is not equal to 0. Thus, using factor theorem, gx is not a factor of px. Clear? Now let us move to Roman number 3, if it is clear to all of you. Yes, we have this polynomial, that is x cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 6. Gx is equal to x minus 3. First of all, in order to solve the problem that we have, let us write it like this. P of x is equal to x cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 6. And let us write g of x is equal to x minus 3. Now, let us try to find out the values of x. In order to do that, first of all, let us make equate with 0 with gx, and then put the values of gx that we have. It is x minus 3. What is the values of x that we are going to have here? It will be 3. Now whatever values that you got, just put it here. It will be, now instead of x, let us put 3. It will be 3 cubed minus 4x squared, it will be 3 squared, plus it will be 3 plus 6. 3 cubed will give you 27. 4 into 3 squared will give you 9. 4 times 9, it will give you 36. 3 plus 6 will give you 9. Plus 27 minus 36 will give you minus 9 plus 9. You can cut this 2. After that, it will get 0. Thus, what can we say about this one? Using factor theorem, gx is a factor of px. Clear? Alright, this is all about the problem that will be discussed today. If it is clear to all of you, then that's all. If you have any confusion regarding about all this thing, then please comment down below. Wish you all the best. Thank you.